Yes, students, we have completed the chapter number 2. Okay, and I will ask you some questions from it. So, saliva breaks down the starch into dash. Yes, Nimita?
Ma'am, sugar.
Very good. What do you mean by ingestion, Vridhi? What is ingestion? Yes, Ayush?
The mode of taking, ma'am, the mode of taking food into the body by chewing the food and by into the in the buccal cavity is called ingestion.
Very good. So, uh, name the glands that are associated with the alimentary canal. Yes, Hanur, Dhruv,
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Liver, pancreas, and salivary glands.
yes,
Liver, pancreas, and salivary glands.
yes, right. So, what do you mean by egestion? Hanur, what do you mean by egestion?
Ma'am, the process of digesting food.
Egestion, not digestion. Egestion. Yes, Nimrat. So, बच्चे egestion, the process of removing the waste product from the body is called egestion. Okay? Yeah. And the next is, in the process of digestion, carbohydrates get broken into. Yes, Gulleen. In the process of digestion, the carbohydrates is broken into. Pranvi.
Sugars.
Very good. And the 1,000 finger-like outgrowths that are present in small intestine are called Vidhi.
Ma'am, villi.
Very good. So, what do you mean by rumination? Rumination. Yes, Krish.
The process that is carried out by ruminants in which the food is stored, the undigested food is stored in a body part known as rumen, or the undigested food is known as gut, and then it is again taken back to the mouth and is chewed again by a ruminant animal. This process is known as rumination.
You can write a simple definition also, that the process by which the curd returns to the mouth in the form of small lumps and the animal again chews it. This is called rumination. Yeah. So next come to the chapter number 5. Acids, bases and salts. Page number is 49. Chapter number 5, acid, bases and salts. Okay, so we use in a daily life a large number of substances, for example, lemon, sugar, salt, tamarind, and vinegar. So do you have tasted it? Anyone? You have tasted
Ma'am.
it? Okay. So
Yes,
now,
Yes, ma'am.
so there is But all the substances, you can't taste all the substances because it may be harmful for you. Clear? You can taste sugars or salt, vinegar, or lemon juice, and vinegar also. Tamarind also is there. You know what is tamarind?
Imli.
Yes, it is imli. So there is a question there. There is a caution that is given in the pink box that do not taste anything unless asked to do so. Do not touch anything unless asked to do so. Means you are not allowed if you are in during the offline classes. If you go into the chemistry lab, then you can't touch anything there because chemicals are harmful. Clear? And there is no need to taste any of the substance. Okay? So in the table 5.1, substances are given. Okay, so you can collect. I give you 2 to 3 minutes. The substances that are given, you have to collect it, whatever it is available, whatever of the substances available at your home. Okay, so just rush to the kitchen and
Table 5.1.
yes,
Table 5.1.
yes, table 5.1. The substances are lemon juice, orange juice, vinegar, curd, tamarind, sugar, common salt, amla, baking soda, grapes, unripe mango. So bring whatever you have. I am giving you 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. So go and collect it. So very good, students. You have collected all the substances. Okay, the first substance is lemon juice. Okay, you can also taste lemon. So can you tell me the taste? It is sour, bitter, or any other?
Sour.
Yes, sour. So you will write sour in the first one. In the case of lemon juice, you will write sour. And next is orange juice. What happened, Pranvi?
Sweet.
Some lemon
Sweet and sour. Sweet and sour.
Sweet and sour.
Orange, you know, it is a citrus fruit. Obviously, the taste of orange will be sour. Clear? And the next is vinegar.
Ma'am, bitter.
Bitter.
Sour.
There is no need to taste the vinegar. Okay? There is no need to taste vinegar. So its taste will be similar to as that of the lemon juice. Okay, so it is sour in nature. Clear? Next is curd.
Sweet and sour.
Sweet and sour.
Sweet and
sour.
sour.
Ma'am,
Sweet and sour.
Sour. You will write sour.
Sour.
Next is tamarind. Any students have tamarind? Yes, Vanshika. Taste it.
Sour. Sour.
Yes,
Sour.
taste it. Yes, Dhruv.
Ma'am, खट्टा है.
Ma'am, sour.
It is sour. Yes, sour. And next, sugar. Sugar.
Sweet.
Yes,
Sweet.
it is sweet. This is a regular observation that it is sweet in nature. Next, common salt. Only a pinch
Salt.
of salt.
Sour.
It is salty. Salt hai, it will be salty. Okay,
Yes,
there is
salty.
given if any another. Okay, read the option clear properly. Sour, bitter, any other. So the sugar is sweet and the common salt is salty in nature. You know, we have studied that there are taste buds in our tongue. In the previous chapter, we have studied. So,
Yes, ma'am.
so by doing this, you can also find the position of the taste buds, where you are getting the bitter taste, where you are getting the sweet taste. Here, as the taste buds are present on our tongue. Next is amla.
Sour.
Bitter or sour?
Any student don't have amla nahi hai, chalo, it's okay. I will tell you that it is sour in nature. Amla is sour in nature. And the next is baking soda, जिसको हम मीठा सोडा भी बोलते हैं. Baking soda, it is.
Ma'am, it is sour. Ma'am, it is sour.
You have to
Ma'am,
taste
bitter.
it. Yes, Nimita, you
I have tasted, ma'am. Ma'am, I have.
bitter. It is
Bitter,
bitter in
ma'am.
nature. Yes, it is meetha soda that you are. But it is bitter in nature. It is not as sour as lemon. Don't taste it again. Okay. Once you have tasted it, it is enough. And so it is bitter in nature. There is a difference in the taste of sour and bitter. जब आप मेडिसिन लेते हो आपको बिल्कुल बिटर सी लगती है, वो खट्टी तो नहीं लगती है, ठीक है. एंड यू फील एट द लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ द टंग. इसलिए हम जो बिटर वहां पे मेडिसिन को रखते हैं. Here and we drink water after it. And the next is grapes.
Sour.
Sour and sweet both.
Sweet or sour.
Sweet.
It is sour.
Sweet.
It is sour. Unripe mango.
Sour.
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 I'm sorry.
We are talking about the unripe mango. Okay. Here, जो दूसरा the mango that is fully prepared, sorry, जो बिल्कुल yellow होता है या कुछ, वो तो मीठा होता है. It is sweet as honey. Ma'am, you like mango?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So students, you find that some of these substances taste sour, some taste bitter, some taste sweet, and some taste salty. So now we will come to the topic 5.1. We will study about acids and bases first. Okay, so what are acids and what are bases? So I will, firstly I will introduce the topic acids to you. Okay, then we will come to the bases, sorry. Okay, so first is acids. So what are the properties of acids? Okay, so the acids are sour in taste. Acids are sour in taste. Here, so the lemon juice, orange juice, vinegar, these are the examples. That means these are the substances that contain acids. Okay. Later on, you will come to know what are the acids present in these substances. Okay, but for now, you must know that these substances contain acids, so they have sour taste. Here, and the next is that these are soluble in water. These are soluble in water. While preparing lemonade, you add lemon juice into water, it gets mixed with water. So the acids are soluble in water. Here, and the next is these are harmful. These are harmful also. Why? The strong acids. The acids that are present in lemon, it is not that much strong. But the strong acids are very harmful and it may cause burn or irritation on our skin. Clear? And now next is, I am reading the para, topic 5.1. Curd, lemon juice, orange juice, and vinegar taste sour. These substances taste sour because they contain acids. Okay, so the chemical nature of such substances is acidic. Means if someone asks you what are the examples of acidic substances, what do you mean by acidic substances? So you can tell the substances.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have collected the things.
You have collected the things. Okay, you can taste it. Okay, and you can write it in the table. Okay, observe the taste carefully. Here, and now next is the
Okay, ma'am.
substances. What are the acidic substances? The substances that contain acids are called acidic substances. Here, for example, lemon juice, orange juice, vinegar, these contain acidic, and these are called the acidic substances. Clear? So, from where we get the name acid? It is, the word acid comes from a Latin word that is acere. Okay? Acere, which means, it is a Latin word. Here, and it means sour. Here, so the acids in these substances are natural acids. Okay, because these are natural substances that we are getting from nature. Here, a lemon is natural, orange, it is also natural. Okay, and the next is baking. What about the baking soda? That we have, some students have tasted it, and what is its taste? Taste कैसा था इसका? Yes.
Ma'am, bitter.
Bitter. So the basis.
Bitter.
The basis. Now we will discuss about the basis. Here. So the bases are, I am writing the properties of bases here, that these are bitter in taste. Here. Okay, and these are soapy to touch. When you touch the baking soda, you will feel, when you rub it in your fingers, you will feel it is soapy in nature. So it is soapy in nature. You know that the base is also present in soaps. Here we will discuss it, what are its uses. So it
Ma'am,
is
sugar and
touch.
curd taste sweet.
It is soapy in touch.
Ma'am, sugar and curd taste sweet.
So the bases are bitter in taste, and these are soapy to touch. Clear? And the next property is that some bases are soluble and some bases are not soluble, or partially soluble, you can say. It depends upon the base, which type of base you are using. Here, one student is having the doubt that vinegar, I have written it in an acidic substance. That means it is an acid. Okay, vinegar contains acid. Okay, so the next is, and the bases, the strong bases are also cause harm to us. Okay, so these are, the strong acids are harmful. Okay, they can cause burns. Here, acids are not soapy to touch. Bases are soapy to touch. Clear? So the bases, the examples of bases is the baking soda, the most common example. Clear? So what are basic substances? We have discussed about the acidic substances. Now what are the basic substances?